What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a reaction video to the Birds of Prey teaser #1 trailer. Let's take a look, shall we? Make sure I got my headphones on right. It's not a real long trailer. It's a 30-second trailer, so let's take a look and see what this is about. I know Harley Quinn's in this one, so as right now, let's see how this is. And here we go. She got the hammer. Someone got the crossbow. Someone drinking. Cast. Nice. Baseball bat. See you soon. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting indeed. Not much to go on, but get kind of idea. We know Harley Quinn's in this one, but there's some other characters I couldn't recognize them, but we'll see later on down the road how this is gonna be. This is only just a teaser. I know one has a baseball bat, one has a crossbow gun, Harley Quinn with her weapon, but we'll see. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Didn't like my reaction, hit that dislike button. And I will see everybody in the next video. I hope you have a good day or a good night. Depends where you're at. I'll see you guys then. Bye.